manufacturing a custom all-welded railing for one of our customers in the area, and what I decided to do with this railing is specifically I precision drew on Fusion 360 all the components in separate actual components on the design. I measured the porch and made a CAD file associated with that porch and then drew the railing to fit. That way it's an easy drop in place and assemble to put the railing into the customer. But I decided to go a step further, and what I did was I created each component on the CNC machine, and what we were able to do is hold very, very tight tolerances on the CNC. Predominantly here we do die milling automation work, and so with railings we're able to bring that level of precision to increase competitiveness and reliability in our products here. So the advantage to doing this is the fact that you end up with perfect precision on all your angled cuts, all your squareness is taken care of, and it's really an easy just clamp in, plug and play. These angled cuts would have actually been a little bit more difficult to figure out, setting the angle on the saw, making sure it's correct, kind of, jimmying stuff into place, but instead what I have here is something that just fits right into place. All my heights are taken care of here. As long as I clamp everything square and weld it, it's a breeze. That's it. That's Fab Friday. That's your tip. And hope you enjoyed watching. Like and subscribe.